Hello, everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I want to talk about, I want to talk about the same meme coin that everybody's talking about, which is my lady meme coin. Um, First, I want to say I'm not a financial advisor. I do not provide financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. Uh, let's talk about the market cap and start with the market cap. Right now, the market cap is 72 million. The fully diluted market cap is 87 million. The volume within the 24 hours is 58 million. Um, the circulating supply 734 trillion, and the maximum supply is 888 trillion. So now let's see the price in dollar values. Right now, is sitting at the look at the decimal point. Okay, so tens will be tens, right? Hundreds, thousands, um, 100,000s will be millions, and then it will be tens of millions, right? And then will be hundreds of millions. I guess no, this one is tens of millions, and this one would be hundreds of millions, right? So it'll be tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, right? I have four so far. Millions, hmm tens of millions. That would be hundreds of millions, right? So wow, that's far back there from a penny. So we are in the hundreds of millions, right, of a penny, and about to get to the tens of millions of a penny, right? So I didn't do that well in math. So, please correct me in the comments if you whether I did wrong. Um, Now let's look at the market cap. Let's look at the chart. The chart tells a lot, but these asset um, doesn't have that much information. It's quite new, but I have a little bit information that I can go by. And first, I want to say that I did invest in this company. I think this is one of my biggest, my reckless investments. Um, uh, from all of the investments that I have talked about, but let's see how it goes. So far, um, we had a quite a big volume in during May 11. The volume was huge, 248 million, and then in market cap of 95 million, as shows in the data in the data chart market cap. Then there was a quiet sell-off. So whatever people who bought early, they catching out some profits, which is always good. And then it created a support line in May 12th. You know, after a, 204 million dollar volume, 24-hour volume and a market cap of 34 million. He created a support line that day, and then he tried to push back, and he went down. But the key here is that when it went down again in the same day, there is still a quite. Let me see if I can make this bigger, but Still a quite small bullish sentiment which triggered the next run. I think this one was the one who triggered the next run. And the pop started here, and then I think this is where I bought, like around here. In It went back up, breaking the sell off. You know, the previous sell off, breaking the sell pressure, breaking through it, creating new highs. In the for the overall for the overall data that shows here, we're still on a weak bullish sentiment. If we were to trace a line up, it will show, compared to the support line. This doesn't really mean much because the project is small, but at the same time there is a bullish sentiment in the market for this meme coin. So what is so good about it? Basically, you just have multiple investors trying to take money from each other. Straight gamble is like a game. I think it's mostly like a game to see, who's the most clever and the one who have the most polished skills. You know, excluding the creators of this asset, because they already come in with big selling a product in the market. So they are excluded. The ones that I'm including are the people who actually bought in at these prices right here at the bottom. Who bought in at the bottom and are actively trading these asset class, creating the liquidity that is needed. And also providing activity to this thing. The other part that have me a little worried based on my investment is that there is uh, let me see, investment firm, you know, who holds, based on the news that it was released today, 11:41. I don't know if it has AM or PM. It's not marked here, but uh, the mister who did this is Judy Colcom or Colham. Sorry, man, for chopping off your name. So he's saying that DWF Labs has acquired a large position, a portion of My Lady Meme Coin. It's equal like around 102.5 trillion Miladies that has gone to different exchanges. So the goes to exchanges in total. So he's saying that they have sent um, uh, all of those coins to like around 86 addresses, and he's calling it suspicious, right? um, I mean, suspicious because they want to sell. I mean, if I had 102 trillion equal to $11 million, I will sell. Even if my position one day ever gets to $11 million, I will sell and take my profit. So I don't think that's suspicious. But what it does is that, based on this tiny market cap that is over here, it can trigger fear for the investors and the holders of this new asset. It can trigger fear, and it will take a big chunk of this market cap, and also whatever, um, the domino effect. So it could bring down the price and retest the bottom of 34 million market cap. It can retest it. So this small bullish sentiment can be obliterated. Uh, I think I'm saying the right word. I hope. um, it will be this bullish sentiment definitely would be tested, and we all can have a hard time, but at the same time, it will be a good entry for other people that wants to come in. But what do I think about my lady Mincoin? Uh, it's risky. And I am not investing all of my earnings in here, all of my money in here. I'm not hoping to become rich out of this. I actually, like I say, I invested when the market cap was 46 million, around there. I made quite 60 to 70% profit. You know, return on investment. So, but because it's not a significant amount, I didn't sold it. So I'm still holding it because it's not really significant. I mean, amount. It's like the gas money, for a car. Um, but yeah, uh, this is what I think about it. That's why putting a lot of money into this, I think, is quite. You gotta have big cojones. I don't have that type of. Yeah, I mean, if the person thinks that he can double his price right away, I mean, go ahead. I guess so, but I am not a financial advice, not giving financial advice. I'm just talking. I'm assuming, right? You can do whatever you want to do with your money, and do not listen to me to buy any crypto or stocks because I'm not a financial advisor. But let's look at one of my favorite assets right here, which is Litecoin. I don't talk too much about Litecoin because I mean, you have done some changes. I made a video when Litecoin was 47, $43, $47, $50, and $60. Right now, we're sitting at $93, about to test that $100. And yeah, that's a 1x. That's over 1x right there. Easy during a financial crisis. This is super cool. And yeah, I mean, it's pretty much how to call this is not rocket science. This asset has been tested 2017, major bullish movement from $4 all the way to 338, creating support line like around $24, and then the market over here. I can increase it. Yeah, 24, $25. So $25. March 23, let's put it 24. So from 24 all the way to 137, and not even testing the support line from 20 during 2019. It did, but it did created another small bullish sentiment that I talked about in my last video, and from there it went up between the quantity, the a lot of money that were the Feds were printing, trying to keep this economy up. So it popped all the way to 347, and then look, went down. Massive sell off. Then in July 2022, uh, new election, new president, new ideas, and everything came down. Everything came down, but you never break that 24 dollars from 2019 support line. So from there, it's just a matter of evaluating if the asset will survive. And I believe they will survive, so that's why I did what I did. And in every video, I keep saying I am not a financial advisor. I do not provide financial advice, and do not invest based on what I am saying because you will lose your money. Um, so yeah, so far so good with Litecoin. I like what I see in my investment. Yeah, I keep holding my position with them and increasing, also adding whenever I can. So, well, when I'm saying holding my position, I still have a position and I keep increasing it whenever I can. And yeah, so what's my exit strategy? I don't have none. So yeah, it's pretty much it's crazy. I don't even have an exit strategy, and I'm sitting over 100% return on investment. So I should be taking some profit, but I'm stubborn. So let's see how this goes for the long term. Everything looks good. This is my video. Be happy, chill, and be smart in everything you do. At least try to be. Have a nice day. Bye.